Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable the autoplay videos feature on the pinterest.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device and then go to your home page. After that, tap on this profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Then tap on edit profile in the middle and go to this left side column and tap on social permissions. After that, scroll down to the bottom until you can find this autoplay videos section. So tap on this button next to it to turn it on and then click on the save button down below to update this section. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.